Hi Sam. I'm glad you're here today. We have a new word to learn.
Entfernung.
Hi Alex. That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
Entfernung.
Means distance. It can refer to both physical distance, like how far apart two places are, or a more abstract distance, like emotional distance. The most common usage is for physical distance. Just be aware that it can sometimes confuse learners because in English,
Distanz.
can also mean a gap in relationships.
Oh, I see. So how do we use
Entfernung.
in sentences?
Great question.
Entfernung.
Is a feminine noun, so it uses the article.
Die.
In plural, we say
Die Entfernungen.
an example sentence in the present tense is
Die Entfernung zwischen den Städten ist groß.
meaning the distance between the cities is large.
And how would I say that in the past?
In the past tense, we can use the Präteritum.
Die Entfernung war groß.
In the perfect tense, it would be
Die Entfernung ist groß gewesen.
You can also say
Die Entfernung hat uns nicht aufgehalten.
meaning the distance didn't stop us.
That's very useful. What about the grammar?
4.
Entfernung.
Remember it's feminine, and it ends with
Ung.
which is a common ending for feminine nouns. The plural form adds to the end.
Are there any similar nouns I should remember?
Yes. The suffix
Ung.
appears in many nouns. For example,
Bewegung.
means movement,
Entwicklung.
means development, and
Erklärung.
means explanation. They're all feminine nouns too.
That's cool. Where does the word
Entfernung.
come from?
Entfernung.
Comes from the verb,
Entfernen.
which means to remove or to separate. It originates from Middle High German and has roots in the Old High German word,
Entfernen.
meaning to take away. Its meaning has evolved over time to also represent distance.
That's fascinating. Can we break down the word?
Entfernung.
Absolutely. The prefix
Ent.
suggests removal or separation. The root
Fernung.
comes from,
Fern.
which means far. So, when you put them together, it conveys the idea of being removed or far away from something.
I see. What about similar words?
Let's look at some examples. With the prefix,
nt,
we have,
entfernen,
which means to remove. Then there's,
entkommen,
meaning to escape, and,
entscheiden,
meaning to decide. For the suffix,
ung,
you also have,
Erziehung,
meaning education, and,
Versicherung,
meaning insurance. Lastly, from the root,
fern,
you can find,
Fernsehen,
for television and,
Fernreise,
for long-distance travel.
Wow, that's a lot. Can you give me some situations where I might use?
Entfernung.
Sure. Imagine you're at a travel agency discussing a trip. You could start with,
Wie groß ist die Entfernung von hier nach Berlin?
meaning how far is the distance from here to Berlin? Another situation could be at a family gathering, saying,
Die Entfernung zwischen uns ist nicht so wichtig.
meaning the distance between us isn't that important. Lastly, in a school project, you might express,
Wir müssen die Entfernung zwischen den Planeten untersuchen.
meaning we need to investigate the distance between the planets.
Those are great. Let me try. For the travel agency, I would say,
Wie ist die Entfernung von hier nach München?
Perfect. Just remember it's,
Wie groß ist die Entfernung?
but you did really well.
thanks. What about the family gathering sentence?
You could say,
Die Entfernung ist egal.
which means the distance doesn't matter.
Oh, so I could say,
Die Entfernung ist nicht so wichtig.
2.
Exactly. Well done.
How do I remember that?
Entfernung.
Is feminine.
A good hint for feminine nouns is to look for endings like.
Ung,
You could visualize a woman holding a sign that says,
Entfernung,
at a distance to remind you it's feminine.
That's a funny image. Are there any usage notes for
Entfernung.
Yes, it's typically used in a neutral setting, so it's neither formal nor informal. Common phrases include
die Entfernung messen,
meaning to measure the distance, and
die Entfernung verringern,
meaning to reduce the distance. Just be careful with
Entfernung,
and its close relatives like,
Verhältnis,
which means relationship.
Got it. Can you give me a few example sentences?
Sure. Here are some.
Die Entfernung zwischen den Ländern ist groß.
This means the distance between the countries is large. Another example is,
Ich habe die Entfernung zum Büro berechnet.
meaning I calculated the distance to the office. And you can say,
Wir haben die Entfernung in Kilometern gemessen.
meaning we measured the distance in kilometers.
This is really helpful.
I'm glad. Now let's do a quick recall check. What's the gender of
Entfernung.
It's feminine.
correct? What does it mean?
It means distance.
Great. Can you give me a sentence using
Entfernung.
in the past tense?
Die Entfernung war groß.
Perfect. What's the plural form?
Die Entfernungen.
Yes. And finally, can you name one similar word?
Bewegung.
Exactly. Great job, Sam.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed this lesson.
I'm glad to hear that. Remember,
Entfernung.
can come in handy in many situations. Keep practicing, and you'll get even better.